Building stones. Stones can be obtained from various rocks. Rocks classification. 1. Geological. 2. Physical. 3. Chemical. Geological classification of rocks. Based on geological, rocks can be classified into 3 types. 1. Igneous rocks. These are formed by cooling of magma. 2. Sedimentary rocks. Disintegrated rocks material can be carried by transportation and deposited anywhere. 3. Metamorphic rocks. These are formed due to alteration of original structure due to heat and excessive pressure. Igneous rocks. These rocks further classified as 1. Volcanic rocks. Cooling of magma at Earth's surface. Examples, basalt and trap. 2. Hypoxal rocks. Cooling of magma at shallow depth. Examples, quartz, dolerite and gneiss. 3. Plutonic rocks. Cooling of magma at considerable depth. Examples, granite and dolerite. Sedimentary rocks. These rocks formed due deposition and transportation. These rocks uniform, fine-grained and bedded. Examples, sandstones, mudstones, limestones. Metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed by after igneous and sedimentary rocks undergo pressure, heat and chemical action. These rocks are foliated structures. Examples, granite become gneiss, basalt to schist and laterite, limestones changes to marble, mudstones changes to slate. Physical classification of rocks. Based on structure, rocks classified into 3 types. 1. Stratified rocks. They are layered structures. Examples, sandstones, limestones and mudstones. 2. Unstratified rocks. They are crystalline and compact grain. Examples, granite, trap and marble. 3. Foliated rocks. They are foliated structures. Examples, metamorphic rocks. Chemical classification of rocks. Based on chemical, rocks classified into 3 types. 1. Siliceous rocks, mere constituentes silica. Examples, granite, trap and sandstones. 2. Argillaceous rocks, mere constituentes clay. Examples, slate and laterite. 3. Calcareous rocks, mere constituentes calcium. Examples, limestones and marbles. Characteristics of good building stones. 1. The minimum compressive strength is 3.5 Newton per square meter. 2. It should not absorb more than 5% of water. 3. Specific gravity should not be less than 2.5. 4. In attrition test, the wear should not more than 2%. 5. Toughness index should be more than 10. 6. It should be durable. Seasoning and preservation of stones. 1. Seasoning of stones. The process of removing the sap. Dry these stones for a period of 6 to 12 months in a shed. 2. Preservation of stones. The following preservatives are used. Linseed oil, solution of alum and soap, solution of barium hydroxide, coal tar, paint and paraffin. Test on stones. Field tests. 1. Smith test. It is to check these stones contains muddy substance. 2. Toughness test. Stone is hit with hammer and metallic sound is indication of strong. 3. Hardness test. Mohs hardness is found by scratching the stone by knife. Test on stones. Laboratory tests. Test on stones. Laboratory tests. 1. Crushing strength test. 40 by 40 by 40 mm cubes are used. Load applied in compression testing machine and the load is 14 Newton square millimeter per minute. A stone having 100 Newton square millimeter is considered as good building stones. 2. The water absorption test. A stone is immersed in water for a period of 24 hours. The water absorption should not be exceed 0.60. Test on stones. Laboratory tests. 3. Attrition test. Los Angeles abrasion test is conducted to find resistance of stones. Los Angeles abrasion test is conducted to find resistance of stones. Los Angeles value for bitumen is 30%. Los Angeles value for base course is 50%. 4. Impact test. Recommended values for impact test. For wearing coat not greater than 30%. For bituminous macadam not greater than 30%. For water-bound macadam not greater than 40%. Thank you.